This is a love reading for you, Virgo, for January to February. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. And then I'm going to share is also the links for my January newsletter, which is given in the description box. And you may also find links to other readings that I do, and you can book any reading that you like with me. Also, you do note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Virgo, and whatever may resonate will vary in the intensity. So, Virgo, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you are coming from? What is the past your partner is coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, first of all, you both are very, very accomplished in your field, and you both seem to be doing very well for yourself. You see, here is a person who's wearing a hat, and here is a partner who's also wearing a hat or a crown. So the two of you are very, very accomplished and well to do. And there is certain kind of luxury about you and your lifestyle that I'm seeing here. You are a go getter, Virgo. If you want it, you're totally working towards it and you're going to make it happen. And your partner is a very, very thinking through, analytic kind of a person who doesn't miss much. So he or she is very, very sharp with their communication and mind, and will catch the smallest of loophole and then plug it, or may be very successful in the business. Some of you may have a partner who's very witty and very quick thinking, with their ways. So how's overall when I see this guidance, how's overall the two of you bonding or getting along? You both seem to be on a very good wavelength or a vibe, because you both are so similar in your ways. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, Virgo, and your partner brings? So, if you see, here is a back you have to the world, and your partner also has a back to the world. And then there is a number 10 here, there's a number 10 here. So, one, you both are very busy with your love life or your family situation, and you are counting your stars, you are thanking this bliss and the good life that you have, and you seem to be enjoying every bit being with this partner and enjoying the family time. Your partner is also very, somehow your cards are very complimenting, but your partner seems to take little bit stress about all the happiness and the good life that you have, while you seem to totally enjoy it. So some of you need to tell your partner to just loosen up, enjoy every day as it comes. So I'm seeing here is your partner is very gifted with their talents and ability, but he or she is sometimes very busy with the work, or is not able to take time out when the work is very easily manageable. So some of you Virgo need to talk to your partner about loosening up or just taking it a bit easy than taking the stress of this very beautiful union. Also, some of you as a partner, you need to schedule your work or prioritize. Looks like you're trying to do way too many things together, and you just want to be this rock in the relationship. So if you see, your health is the most important partner. You cannot be the somebody who's always at work, always very witty, very sharp with their communication thinking, and also very physically also doing the work. So you seem to be exhausting yourself a lot in this relationship, the partner. So how do you see your partner, Virgo, and how does your partner see you? So you see your partner as someone with lot of respect. So some of you have great respect for your partner. It's almost like, Virgo, if your partner says something to you, you never say no, or you just go along and you do as your partner tells you. Also, you see marriage with this partner. So some of you may have secretly got married, or you definitely have marriage on cards coming. So this is how you are seeing your partner, someone very traditional, someone you have great respect for, and someone who won't move from their values. So it's very important for your partner to have a very strong value system. How does your partner see you, Virgo? Your partner feels that you are very gifted, you're very lucky, and it's almost like you have a golden touch. So if you touch something, it just turns into this gold, or it just turns into fortune. Your partner feels you get things very easy, and you're very blessed in some way that you don't have to work so hard and things come out or work out very easily for you. So your partner also thinks, Virgo, you're the lucky charm in this relationship. Now, what is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? About the future, you both are very, very convinced that the two of you want to be together, and this is the union in making and happily ever after. You are very convinced, Virgo, that there is a certain destiny at work, or the two of you are meant to be together and the wedding will happen and you're going to be happily ever after. So, definitely, you're thinking about the future with this partner and you're counting your blessings and you are thanking gods for such a beautiful union, and you look forward to a wedding. About the future, your partner also is very, very positive and totally sees marriage and a family life with you. So these are some of the most powerful cards that I get in tarot, and they both are suggesting very strong future together, and the two of you are very convinced that the you both are meant to be together forever. So very beautiful cards here. What is the past you are coming from, Virgo, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You have been working very hard, and you've always been there for people. If someone came asking for help, you were always there. You were helping, guiding people how to go about doing things. And when I look at your partner, he or she is very emotional and very, very sensitive. He or she can guess things easily, can also guess people very easily. It's nothing is too difficult for your partner. He or she is very sensitive and emotionally can doesn't have very unrealistic expectations from anybody. So very sober, modest, down to earth people that I see coming from the past and seem to have created lot of riches and luxury for themselves. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? I see there are every now and then small fights or squabbles the two of you have, and then you know it's little bit of time out, but there is lot of love you both extend to each other, and there is nothing, any serious fight or nothing that I'm seeing here. There is, it's like when one person is upset, there's always so much love which is being showered by the other person. So there's a lot of love and beauty in this relationship, and I see little bit small squabbles happening every now and then, but there's nothing to it really. Overall the guidance is very good and beautiful. The two of you seem to be very strong with each other. So this is how the reading is for you, Virgo, from January to February.